Assalamu alaikum guys, welcome back to another video. So in this video we are going to talk about what is HTML. Basically we are going to talk about the basic structure of HTML in Notepad, and in the next class we will proceed to the VS Code, which is the software. I will show you how to download it in the next class. So let's discuss the basic structure of Notepad in HTML. So here I left off in the previous class this HTML folder and this notepad file. So I just open it. So let's start the basic structure of HTML. So first of all you have to know that if in the basic structure or in the HTML, every tag has a opening and closing tag. Means that if a tag is opened, it is also closed. The tag shows with this greater than symbol, starts with this greater than symbol, and put HTML in it. The first tag is HTML of the coding in HTML. And how to put the closing tag of it, because every opening tag has a closing tag in the HTML. So for closing tag you have to simply put these greater than symbols and forward slash and then HTML and then greater than sign, and between this you have to enter. So this is the first tag HTML which is used in the basic structure. And then you have to the second tag is head. Head means, let's take an example of human being. In our body we have head, body, and lot of things. Similarly in HTML it also contains the head tag and body tag. Our head deals with the linking part in our human body. Similarly, head of the website is also deals with the linking and other stuffs. We can put links on the head tags. So the tag of this head is starts with greater than and the end with forward slash and put head, and then greater than, less than, sorry, and press enter between this. And between this you can add the title. You can add the title which was displayed at the top of your from which was displayed here. You can see it is displaying new tab. The title will display what you add title, which will display here. So let's suppose we add title. The title tag starts with greater than as usual, and the ending tag is also same. Only you have to put the forward slash in ending tag, and between this you add title what you want to add. I add here Arkham web. So the title will displayed after saving this notepad file to HTML file. I will teach you how to save this file, so don't worry. This is the starting classes. I will talk about it. So don't worry, I will teach you later in this class. So after titles part you have to come to the head and press enter, and from here you have to made a body tag. As I tell you that in this case it is also contains body tag, and in body tag is the main tag in between which we do all the work. Means you can add here headings, paragraphs in this body tag. You can add which we add headings, paragraphs, and all the work is done between the body tag. So make the body tag by just greater than sign and write here body and a closing tag / body and less than, and in between those tags press enter, and this is the body tag. In this area you have to write whatever you want to write here. All the work is done between these body tags, all the work is done between these body tag. So that's it. I teach you that how to save it. So go to the file and click on save as. It will display this this pop-up screen, and save the file name with, you have to enter here name whatever you want, but the standard is index, so you put index here, and after that what name you write. I prefer write index, and after this you have to write .html and index.html. This is very important. If you don't write this .html, it will not displayed on your web browser. So, and save as type as all files, and desktop, and save, and after just see where it save and open it. See where it see here it saves. I just open it. See the name which I written here in the title, this name will displaying here. So this is the title. You can also add here a logo which name was Favicon. I will teach as YouTube logos displays here. You can also display here your own logo. I will teach you in the further classes in the software VS Code. So that's it for the video. I hope that you like it. If you like it, subscribe. Please subscribe and press the bell notification and thumbs up the video. So that's it for the video. I will see you next time.